I've had a number of people say that they'd like to see more video of the Willys pickup being driven. I've got my dog tucked away. I'm heading up to a storage area I've got. So I thought I'd see if this will work. There's Chewy looking out over the seat going, what's happening? That's a good dog, Chewy. Hello. No, you stay there. I need to get in. And it's challenging for me, partly because it's a tall truck, partly because I'm old. When this thing starts up, it's quite often a challenge itself. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute. You all ready for this, Chewy? Well, here we go. There's the fuel pump on the rail. It either smashes the starter or it starts up. Apparently it feels like it wants to start this morning. So down at my feet is the sandal with socks. I have to rest my foot up in an odd position to get at the accelerator. Not sure if I can steer and drive at the same time. Not sure if I can make this phone work. No, that's not gonna work. Well, we're just gonna have to hold it by hand and see what happens. It's got a small block 350 in it. I need to remember the temperature gauge comes up a little bit beyond zero. And then I have to turn the fan on manually. There's a Halloween spooky monster. Have some fuel. Hope so. Neighbors with a big black Newfoundland dog that's crazy. Chewy loves her. Right, Chew? Got turn signals. The only way I can tell is looking out onto the fender. Got some power. I never really use it to the maximum yet because I'm afraid the engine is just going to blow up on me. There's a corn maze. A whole bunch of people in their car. Well, not so many people today at all. Typically it's packed. My mother told me before she passed away, she said, son, when I'm gone, don't forget to pray, 'cause there'll be hard times. Lord, those hard times, who knows better than I? Well, I soon found out just what she meant when I had to pawn my clothes right just to pay the rent. Talking about hard times, hard times, who knows better than I? I had a woman, Lord, who's always around, but when I lost my money, well, she put me down. Talking about hard times, you know those hard times, yeah, I do. Who knows better than I? Yeah, I had a woman, Lord, who was always around, but when I lost my money, that's when she put me down. I'm talking about hard times. You know those hard times, who knows better than I? This was a great sports car road until they put in this housing subdivision. And now they're putting in an even bigger one up at the top of the hill here as we go around the corner. This is where I used to keep my airplane until I got too old to fly, or too sick to fly. Let me rephrase that. Somebody's gonna get hit one of these days. I hope it's not me. Well, here's the hangar. Very grateful to have this facility available to me. Chewy's gonna mess up, I'm sure, but for now, I have to clear everything away. So we'll start probably time lapse. Well, I guess I do keep one airplane in the hangar. Maybe two. My wife's sports car, which she's making legal for another year. Willys, which is about to come in. My sports car, which is currently legal, I believe. Both on battery chargers and warmers. Will you hold this? And it's filming. So, I want you to film it.